Today I'm going to show you how to make taco meat, and we're going to make our taco seasoning from scratch. So to start out, here's the ground beef that I'm using. This is a 3-pound pack. However, I'm only going to use 2 pounds of this 3-pound pack. And here are the spices that I'm going to use for this recipe. Also, the full measurements will be listed down below in the description box. Now here's the spices all measured out. I've used these spices in 2 of my other videos, and this spice blend is very, very good. Hopefully you guys have tried it. If you tried it, then you know what I'm talking about. All right, you guys, so let's get started with the taco meat, okay? So first you want to start out by browning your meat on high heat, and you're just going to use the spatula, and you want to break that meat up really good. It only took about 7 minutes for the meat to brown. Now, I drained the fat from the meat, but if you want to leave the fat in there, then go ahead. This meat was 73% lean, and there was a lot of fat in the skillet, so that was why I removed most of it. I did mix up all of the seasonings off camera, so I'm gonna sprinkle this on top of the meat. Then I'm gonna stir it up just to mix it in really, really good. Okay, so now I'm gonna be using a 1/2 cup of water. I did measure out 1 cup, but I ended up using a 1/2 cup because I didn't want a lot of liquid in my taco meat. If you prefer more liquid in your taco meat, then go ahead and use 1 cup of water, but taste your meat just to make sure that the seasonings are coming, like everything is coming together, because you know, if you use more water, then that's going to dilute your seasonings just a little bit. So make sure that, you know, you taste it at this point and adjust your measurements according to your preference. And so I let this simmer on medium-low heat for about 5 minutes, and that's it. So the meat is all done. This was so simple and so easy to make. Here's the final result. And so now I'm just going to assemble the tacos. And so, of course, I know you guys know how to assemble tacos, okay? You just put on your meat, as much meat as you want. I'm going to use lettuce, tomatoes, cheese, and sour cream for my toppings. And these tacos were so bomb. They were so good. And they reminded me so much of Taco Bell Taco Supreme. I love, love, love Taco Supremes from Taco Bell. Anytime I go there, I always get myself a Taco Supreme. Okay, I'm a simple girl. Okay. So these tacos were delicious, but let me say this. They were better than Taco Bell, okay? They didn't taste just like Taco Bell. They were better, okay? Hopefully you guys will give this recipe a try, and let me know what you think down below in the comment section. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.